What is up, you guys? Pete DiCarlo here, and today we're going to do a little bit of an update on Smile Direct Club. Did a video on this a couple of weeks ago, got a lot of views for the size of this channel, and it seems like a ticker you guys are interested in potentially dip buying. So I want to go over the level that we're at right now at $2.50, and I really want to go over if I think this thing has found a bottom. So hit the like button, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, hit the notification bell because all these videos are time sensitive. Check out the Discord. We have over 3,400 members. It's completely free. The link is in the description. You guys get access to tons of free content, free resources, free courses, and on top of that, one of the best technical analysis and options bots out there. It's $200 a month. We pay for it completely free for you guys so that you have access to the best possible resources completely for free. If you want, you can upgrade, get access to all of our trades. The link is in the description. We are up nearly $6,000 in the first 16 days of the month, so we're absolutely killing it. It's free to start and $20 a month after that. So let's take a look at Smile Direct Club. Obviously, this thing has gotten the living crap beaten out of it basically since IPO. We hit these highs around $21, and right now we're down about 90% to $2.10. And I was buying this, like I said before, back when we were trading around $7. I was buying this long term around $7. I ended up selling it at like 12 or 13, and my plan was to re-enter when we hit $7 again. I completely forgot. It dropped down to $5. I ended up grabbing some shares around $5 in some very, very small position. And then it, completely dropped down to $2.50. I only have about $1,200 in this position long term, and I don't plan to do anything else with it. I don't plan to buy more. I don't really plan to sell. I just plan to hold on to it because it's such a small position for me that I really don't care. Right? It's not a big position, so it doesn't really matter at this point. Now, looking at where we are finally, we are looking like we are finding a bottom down here at this $2.50 support. It's not even really a support at this point. It's just the lows that we've been to, but finally we're starting to see a little bit of a bounce. You can see that we dropped here to this price point at $2.50 around the 6th of December. We hit this again on the 13th, 14th, 15th, had a good push yesterday, rejected today at $2.82, and now we're back down here. Now, one thing that I want you to see is the divergence that's occurring. We made a lower low from the 6th to yesterday, the 15th, but if we look at the RSI is actually making a higher low, which is showing that potentially, not that this is happening, but that potentially this downward movement is starting to slow down. You can see as well, the MACD has crossed, but the biggest problem that we have here, which you guys have probably noticed, is that the volume is non-existent. We have little to no volume at all right now, which is not good if you're somebody who wants to see this thing completely push back up. So at this point, it looks like we found a bottom. I might actually start to sell some cash secured puts, just like I was talking about earlier with Wish, because right now implied volatility is like 84%, 134%. So it's very high depending on the strike that you pick. But I really think that if you're buying this, you have to be okay with losing all of your money. I know that's not something that you guys want to hear, but like when I was entering around $5, I was like, I don't care what happens to this money. From a long-term standpoint, financially, this company is really in a lot of trouble. They could seriously go bankrupt within the next 2 years. I talked about that in the video that I made not too long ago, but I'll kind of bring up Simply Wall Street really quick too, just to show you guys. But this company is a huge risk. I completely agree with that. Like we said earlier, here it is, $756 million in liabilities versus the $328 in long-term assets. So this company really could go bankrupt. And at this point, I think that if you are trading it, it's not terrible. Like if you'd want to enter a position at 254 and set a stop loss at 217. But to be quite honest, this is not something I'm actually trading myself. I don't plan to actually take a position on this. I just wanted to give you guys an update since people have been asking, and it is a video that a lot of people are watching. So hope this helped, guys. Hit the like button, subscribe to this channel. Go ahead down to the description and check out our Discord. And if you guys are interested in actually knowing what I'm trading, let me know and I'll do some videos on some stuff I actually have positions in. A lot of the times I really don't, because you guys tend to, the algorithm, I should say, not you guys, but the algorithm tends to not like the tickers that I'm looking at. So let me know if you guys need anything, and I'll see you later. Peace.